Greetings everyone, my name is Ardziro Cavada and I am the Executive Director for the GEO Earth Observations for Sustainable Development Goals Initiative or EO for SDG. On behalf of GEO and the EO for SDG initiative, I am very excited today to be honoring the organizations receiving the 2021 GEO SDG Awards. This international awards program recognizes organizations who take action while building coalitions across sectors and communities to increase progress on sustainable development goals, monitoring, tracking, and implementation through the use of Earth observations and derived knowledge. This year, we received 24 nominations from organizations around the world. Leading up to the ceremony, 9 panelists from across sectors and countries reviewed the nominations, assessing their overall impact, quality, and soundness, and gauging their potential to be replicated and scaled up. We are thrilled to recognize today the work of 8 awardees. We hope these awards will give these organizations an opportunity to showcase and promote their outstanding efforts and achievements. It is my honor to announce that Colombia has been selected for a 2021 GEO Member Country Sectoral Category Award for their work in leveraging optical satellite imagery, census data, and population projections to create SDG and calculate SDG indicator 11.3.1 ratio of land consumption rate to population growth rate for a national sample of cities. Accepting the award is Sandra Liliana Moreno, Technical Director of the Geostatistics Division at the National Administrative Department of Statistics, DANE, in Colombia. Next, I am excited to announce that the United Arab Emirates is also being awarded a 2021 GEO Member Country Sectoral Category Award for their work to federate their SDG-related data and share it directly with the United Nations Federated Information System for the Sustainable Development Goals through the UAE SDG Data Hub. Accepting the award are Her Excellency Thuraya Al-Hashimi, Executive Director for Digital Data Enabling Sector at the UAE Federal Competitiveness and Statistics Center, and Marwa El-Kabani, Associate Advisor for the Future of Data Department at the UAE Federal Competitiveness and Statistics Center. I am happy to announce that the collaboration among UNDP Colombia, UNDP Ecuador, and UNDP Peru has been selected for the 2021 Intergovernmental Sectoral Category Award for their efforts to work with NASA and government leaders and academia in Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru to create nationally relevant data leveraging Earth observations to support implementation and reporting on SDG 15, Life on Land. Accepting the award are Sarah Ferrer Olivella, Resident Representative for UNDP Colombia, Matilde Ward, Resident Representative for UNDP Ecuador, and Bettina Wall, Resident Representative for UNDP Peru. It is my honor to share that the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations has been selected to receive the 2021 SDG Custodian Agency Sectoral Category Award for their efforts in developing a new method to measure and monitor SDG Indicator 15.4.2 Mountain Green Cover Index, leveraging free and open Earth observation datasets from Land Cover Time Series, Ground Truth land cover data, and mountain elevation range datasets. Accepting the award is Pietro Gennari, Chief Statistician at the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. I am also happy to announce that Stanford University has been selected to receive the 2021 Academia Sectoral Category Award for their efforts in integrating the essential biodiversity variables derived from Earth observations to improve the accuracy, accessibility, and relevance of ecosystem service modeling. We also want to recognize Stanford for its close collaboration with the Ministry of Environment and Energy in Costa Rica and the Central Bank of Costa Rica to generate national SDG indicators and improve biodiversity and ecosystem service monitoring for other policy conventions. Accepting the award is Becky Chaplin-Kramer, lead scientist at the Natural Capital Project, Woods Institute for the Environment, Stanford University. I am now happy to announce that the Netherlands Space Office has been selected to receive the 2021 Special Category Award for Innovation because of their work on the geodata for agriculture and water, Space for Food Security Facility, promoting the use of geodata and other open data in support of farming applications to improve food security in alignment with SDG 2, Zero Hunger. Accepting the award are Harm van de Wettering, Director of the Netherlands Space Office, and Ruud Grimm, Program Manager at the Netherlands Space Office and Coordinator of the G4AW program. It is my honor to share that the Water at Reading research group at the University of Reading has been selected to receive the 2021 Special Category Award for Testimonial Story for their efforts in the use of state-of-the-art global-scale flood forecasting models for humanitarian organizations to take early action ahead of flood events, and for showcasing a concrete example that clearly demonstrates the impact of Earth observations on the government of Bangladesh flood management approaches and decision-making. Accepting the award is Liz Stevens, Associate Professor in Climate Risks and Resilience at the Department of Meteorology at the University of Reading. The collaboration among UN Habitat, NASA, ITC at the University of Twente, and the UAE's Federal Competitiveness and Statistics Center, and many more contributors from across sectors and organizations, was selected for the 2021 Special Category Award for Collaboration for their efforts in creating the Earth Observations Toolkit for Sustainable Cities and Human Settlements. The toolkit shares Earth observation ready-to-use data, tools, and use cases, and serves as a first step for countries and cities interested in using Earth observations for SDG 11 and to advance efforts in alignment with the New Urban Agenda. Accepting the award are Robert Dungwa, Head of the Data and Analytics Unit of the Knowledge and Innovations Branch at the UN Habitat, Dennis Mwaniki, Spatial Data Expert in the Data and Analytics Unit at UN Habitat, Monica Kuffer, Assistant Professor at ITC at the University of Twente, and Marwa El-Kabani, Associate Advisor at the Federal Competitiveness and Statistics Center in the United Arab Emirates. Congratulations and our deep appreciation on all you have done to advance sustainable development around the world through Earth observations and in alignment with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. And finally, to everyone that is watching and listening to us today, we invite you to find out more and hear from these awardees about their projects by visiting the GEO and EO4SDG websites and accessing a recording as well as a blog post that shares more details about each one of the awarded projects. We also want to ask you to help us recognize these awardees by spreading the word about their outstanding achievements and efforts to use Earth observations to monitor and accelerate progress on the Sustainable Development Goals. Please share your congratulatory messages on social media, tell your communities and networks about these projects, and also share their work as use cases demonstrating the power of Earth observations on delivering positive social, economic, and environmental impact. Thank you, and once again, congratulations to all the awardees.